Some weird guy following me right now with a camera, making me pretty uncomfortable. Welcome to Wallace, Idaho, a small town with a rich history and beautiful outdoor experience. You also have access to this cool little historic mining, it shows some of the history of Wallace, which is pretty cool. This is a great spot to stop. They've got the Evolution shaft, which is the second biggest shaft I've seen today. And it's just like, it has that really cute little vibe. A lot of these stores have been rehabbed. Pulaski Trail is here. That's an old historic trail. At the end of that is the Pulaski Mine. There's a cool story behind that if you look it up. Kind of a tragic story too, actually. I saw a neat little gastro pub in there. Just like a lot of restaurants that I personally would love to go try out if we have more time. So, if you're working on a limited budget and maybe you can work remotely or you don't mind a 45-minute drive to Coeur d'Alene, that's where Wallace really could shine for you.